Yo, what's going on, guys? Today was a decent day. I live traded in Discord earlier, and the short that I really wanted was this. So I'm live trading. I said I was just gonna short this. You can see we never got it, unfortunately. It was also a breaker block up here, which I really like. So I like this, and we never got it. So what ended up happening is I never got any of my entries. I was overall short for the day. My target was down here, okay? And my final target's gonna be it's gonna be these lows way down here somewhere, but it's different on ESH, so I'll just go to ESH real quick. So I said yesterday. I'm guessing, if I had to guess, we're gonna go down, okay? And I said we're going to go down based off of this fair value gap right here. And if you're taking this fair value gap, where's your stop loss? Well, your stop loss is going to be at the swing high. We never hit that swing high, okay? So we came very close. We never hit it. So people who shorted this fair value gap, if they were to stay true to their play, then so your entry's in the fair value gap, it's in the 0.705 range. Your stop is above there. Your take profit's down there. So all throughout that day, we never hit the stop loss. So I was right about us going down, but we had a little more bullshit to do first. So you can see we ended up hitting the target without hitting the stop loss. We were very close. I did really, really want this entry up here. I'll be marking that for a later date on my chart. I would also be marking this as a later date on my chart, but this is the short entry I really wanted today. Either right there or right there. Never got either. But we did reject this 15-minute fair value gap right here. It was also a VPOC as well, volume point of control. It was also a few other things. So we rejected here, and I took a small scalp from here to here. I never learned it because it was just a smaller counter trend scalp, and that's what I thought at the time. Then once we broke this fair value gap, actually it was more the 5-minute one. Once we broke this fair value gap and we started consolidating in it, I was pretty confident we are going to break through it because you can see kind of how sloppy it is throughout here. So we have this little pop off this fair value gap and then knife right down. This is your liquidity grab. And where does this pop to? Well, it pops to this fair value gap right here. So we pop right into this fair value gap, top takes it, and then as soon as I saw us reject this, I figured we were going to low day, which we eventually hit. So we got that. It was a decent day. I unfortunately would have really, really loved this move. I would have loved this to the low, but again, we never got it. It's all right, but I know a few other people in my Discord did take this short. And I know a couple of them sold early too, in case we did bounce out of this. But, yeah, it was a decent day. Again, for the future, I'm still overall bearish. I think we go down and hit this. If you guys notice, we did bounce out of a BPR. So I said it's a really bad idea to short right here. We ended up bouncing. So I think the final target is going to be here, but I think this is going to be a tough area to get through. NQ already hit it, so if we look at NQ, you can clearly see that on the 1 hour, NQ is already past liquidity down here, okay? So this is obviously much weaker, so if we are shorting, I would plan on shorting this instead of ES, but again, I prefer ES. We'll see what happens. And this we rejected a fair value gap. Again, I would have liked the higher one, but never got it. But yeah, let's kind of review it today. I'm gonna try live trading a few other times for premium members this week, and maybe a couple times next week while I'm on break. So have a happy New Year's, everyone. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. If I am home, I will. But yeah, hope you guys learn something. Another video I am planning on doing is the box setup video. So I'm going to do kind of a box setup video and show you guys how that works. We did a box setup the other day, which I ended up missing, but I take it. Usually I do take back setups if I see them, so I'm gonna do a video on that. I really like the box setup. It doesn't fail that much, so yeah. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night, and peace.